Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well and that you've had a pleasant weekend. It is October 20th, 2025, and I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley real estate market update, where week in and week out we take a look and follow along with exactly what's going on in the Antelope Valley real estate market. As I like to point out every week, I feel it's important that residents, property owners, potential buyers have a trusted local resource to go to follow along on the trends in the Antelope Valley market. Often our statistics get lumped in with greater LA County, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. Also like to point out that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where do we start this week of August 20th? Active listings took another little bit of a downward turn as we head further into fall and the fourth quarter, starting with 1,101 active listings on the market. Pending those properties under contract and escrow. Nice little bump up. I think we're starting to see some buyers come off the fence as interest rates are showing some downward pressure, which is nice. So up 4.4% to 423. Last week, the week of October 13th through the 19th, active listings, new listings that came on the market, down 3.4%, 85 new listings. And this is one of two interesting numbers on this week's report. Median price of new listings down 7.3%. 445 is that median price of those new listings. We are seeing some downward pressure on pricing, but we're also seeing a good segment of the activity down in that lower price range. This drop in interest rates has been great for first-time buyers. Like I said, getting them off the fence in the market. So we're seeing that median. Median means that half sold above that price, half sold below that price. And so we are definitely seeing some more activity in that lower price. Great number here. New properties into escrow during 10/13 through 10/19. 82. Last week we were at 62. So that's a nice 32.2% increase. Definitely saw some decent activity last week. Another median days on the market. 35 of those properties that went into escrow, 35 days. That's down 11 days from the previous week. So once again, those buyers are looking at a lot of this new inventory that's coming on the market as it does come on the market. And we're seeing that median number of days decline as we head into this fourth quarter. So listings sold, another nice little bump here, up 12.5% from last week, 54. Properties closed during the week of 10/13 through 10/19, up from 48 the week prior. So I believe this is like the third week in a row we've seen that upward trend. And like I said, the median sales price following the trend of the median list price down 6.7% to 448. So it's nice to see some good activity as we're moving into like I said, the fourth quarter. We'll continue to follow along, see where we wrap up the month of October and head into the holidays. God, hard to believe that we're saying that, into the holidays. Halloween right around the corner, and then into Thanksgiving and Christmas and the balance of the holidays. So, but as always, if there's any other statistics, any other information that myself or any of our other trusted associates of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Always here to help, always here to serve, where we have been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market proudly since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we will talk to you next Monday. All righty, bye-bye.